So, I am Dr. Tirunahar Yugandhar, Assistant Professor of Botany, Government Dairy College, Mahibad. So, today topic is tissue culture techniques, కణజాల వర్ధన సాంకేతిక పద్ధతులు అనేది. So, discussion this one. So, what is under which topics are discussion this today? So, introduction to the tissue culture. What is the means of tissue culture? And the tissue culture definition, role of tissue culture, preparation of the media, and types of the media, storage of stock solutions, advantages and disadvantages of tissue culture, types of tissue culture, choices of explains tissue culture or tissue culture techniques, regeneration pathways, assimilation applications, a root culture, recognition of a tissue culture, also called a facilities, and last one conclusion. So this one is also discussion. So this one is also today. So we are the introduction. So what is the meaning of tissue culture? The tissue culture is basically conservation of medicinal plants. Details with a controlled utilization of a utilization and official superficial or supervision of a in order to preserve or protect them. So conservation of the plant parts or with also called explained is a genetical materials and also plant parts, any plant parts which have is a leaf parts, shoot and a root tip, every plants it can be a storage or conservation, which is important of tissue culture. According to the WHO, as many as 80% of the world population depends on the traditional herbal medicines for their primary health care needs. So medicinal plants are preservation, also called conservation, which method is important for the tissue culture. Today, many medicinal plants face extinction or serve genetical loss. So today, the genetical materials are the large number of the plant parts are which can be loss of genetical materials. So that can be a degeneration or a distinct of that plants, also called endangered plants are which are disappears. So this one today many medicinal plants fail many medicinal plants fear extinction in sources of a genetical loss. So tissue culture is one of the many techniques in biotechnology which can be used for the conservation of such medicinal plants. The several medicinal plants are conserved with the help of the tissue culture plants. So what is the meaning of tissue culture? What are the techniques? The term tissue culture is commonly used as a very wide sense, includes in vitro culture of plant cells, tissues as well as organs. Every part of the plant or organ means a group of the tissues which can be able to grow on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition to give rise a complete plant. That is called ability to totipotency. And which part of the plant is able to undergo on nutrient medium to develop a complete organism, which is called totipotency. The totipotency only having a plant, that totipotency having any part of the plant which can grow on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition. So this is also in tissue culture definition. The tissue culture is denoted as the in vitro cultivations of plants, so cells as a unorganized mass, example callus culture. Some type of the tissue culture does not develop into direct plants, indirect plants. Then indirect plants which are called a callus formation. So another term cell culture is used in vitro culture. Single cell are related a small group of the plants. Example is a suspension culture. So the single cell which can be grown on nutrient medium under the aseptic, that is also called a single cell culture. The single cell culture is also important. So in the most the milestones in a plant tissue culture. So in 1902, Eberland proposed the concept of in vitro cell culture. first time in 1902. 1922, so when you say the Cotte and Robbins successfully cultured a root and stem tips are respectively. Cotte and Robbins both are conducting the say that successfully cultivation in the root tip and shoot tips. So in 1926, Wendt discovered the first plant growth hormones in indole acetic acid. IAAS acetic acid. Indole acetic acid is artificially prepared by the Wendt scientist. So 1941, Overbeek was a first to add a coconut milk for the cell division in Dadura. Dadura plants in 1941, Overbeek scientist was when we added into the coconut milk, the coconut milk is a best phytohormone, natural phytohormone, which can help to the plant growth and development in Datura plants. So this is important. So 1955, so Skoog and Miller discovered the kinetins as well as cell divisions in hormones. So Skoog and Miller both are scientists who are reporting the kinetin and hormones. The kinetin means cell division. Cell division hormones is artificially which are prepared by the kinetin scientist also called Skoog and Miller. So then 1957, so Skoog and 1957 also Skoog and Miller so gave a concepts of the hormonal control of the organ formations. So the control of organs and out of formation of the organ is also prepared by the 1956. 1960, that 1960, Cantana Maheshwari developed the tube fetal ligations in techniques. 1962, Murashi and Sugi is also developed a mass medium with the higher salt concentrations. Murashi Sug both are which introduced the universally accepted tissue culture media. That is also first time to the nature. This is also universally used. All type of these plants are which grown on same type of the media. In 1974, so Jeswani also called just and introduced into the biotechnological and plant used the parts. 1977, so 1977, the Clinton et al. Successfully integrated the plasmid DNA from agrobacter to efficiency. 1977 is Clinton is also reporting the agrobacter mediated genetic transformation, means the tissue culture, the genetic transformation, it is the second type of the techniques. 1978, so Michael et al. And so it is a somatic hybridization of a tomato and a potato, resulting of potato plants. Tomato and potato both are it can fusion with somatic cells undergone sterile conditions to give rise a whole plant, that is somatic hybrid plant is reported in 1978. So 1918 when so then is a Larkin and a Skugger so was introducing the as a also introducing the somoclonal variations. So 1906, so hence rice genome sequences are introduced into the sequence are 2005. So this is also called milestones. The background of the second, the first commercially uses of plant clonal propagation on artificial media was in the germination and grown in a orchid plants in 1920s. 1920s, so orchid plants. Orchid means which are a totally, you say that gardening plants or horticulture plants, which is a reporting in 1920. It was in the 1950, so 1950s and 60s, there was a great deal with a research, but it was only after the developing of a artificial medium, Murashi in school in 1962. So this is also one important. This is the pioneers in a plant tissue culture. Tissue culture pioneers, which is a major important for the yes, pioneers also. All is also called this one is also important. So then why do you means and what do we means by tissue culture? Here is also continuation of the total definitions. So you know that plant tissue culture is a collection of the techniques used to the maintain to grow plant cells, tissues or organs under sterile conditions and in a numerous in a number of cultures medium for known as compositions. సో మొక్కల యొక్క కణజాల వర్ధనం అనేది పోషక పదార్థాలను బట్టి మొక్కలు పెరుగుతాయి. అంటే ఆ పోషక పదార్థాలను సూక్ష్మజీవరహితమైన ప్రదేశాల్లో ఉంచడం ద్వారా వాటికి తగిన ఉష్ణోగ్రత చేసే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ లైట్ ఉంచడం ద్వారా ఆ మొక్కల నుంచి కొత్త మొక్కలు ఆ పాటు నుంచి కొత్త మొక్కలు తయారైతాయి అనేది తెలుగు మీరు టిష్యూ కల్చర్ ఈజ్ ఏ which is a best technique used for so short period with a large number of multiple shoots formation under the aseptic conditions in laboratory tissue culture laboratory. The tissue culture is a commonly used in a so broad term to the description of all types of the plant cultures, namely so callus cell, protoplast and the meristem, embryo and also called organ cultures. Tissue culture level several types, which is also called cell culture. First one is leaf culture, shoot tip culture, nodal culture, internodal culture, root tip culture, anther culture, embryo culture, meristem culture, organ culture, protoplast culture. So these all is also types of the different type of the experience base. Experience means which part of the plant is inoculated into the tissue culture media, that is called a explant. The explant is a base to grown on nutrient medium, and the nutrient medium composition depends on tissue culture selection of the tissue culture explants. So this is also important for the history of a tissue culture. So it is a in vitro techniques were developed initially to the demonstrated the totipotency of plant cells predicted by the Gottlieb Eberland in 1902. In 1902, first time the tissue culture idea was reported in a Eberland scientist. So the Gottlieb Eberland was a first to reporting the totipotency. In the totipotency means is the ability of a plant cell to perform all the function of development which are characteristic of zygote. The zygote functioning takes place in somatic cells. That is also totipotency. The zygote is which can be gives rise to a new organism under the in vivo conditions. But plant parts are any part of the plants which can go on nutrient medium under the aseptic condition in which gives rise to new plants in vitro condition. That is a in vitro condition is which can capable to be part of the plant is called totipotency. So without in vitro culture of the explant, that is also zygote. The zygote is sexual and the results of the fusion of the male and female part. The results, the male and female part of the plant are zygote which can able to give rise to new plant definitely in the seeds, but out of the zygote means somatic cells or vegetative cells or any type of the leaf and shoot tip cultures, shoots or meristem that can directly develop the new plant. This is also important for the tissue culture of totipotency. So was a Gottlieb and Eberland scientists pioneer the plants. So this is the father of the plant tissue culture. So second one 1962 Moorish Asian school medium is also was composed by the tissue culture media which having a micronutrients. So FEDT, vitamins, hormones, sugars, pH. This all condition is reported by the Moorish Asian school medium was reporting the so plant tissue culture techniques. What is the means of explant? And the explant is a which part of the plant which is inoculated to gives rise a whole organism, that is called explant. Hormones means growth regulator. Generally synthesis occurrences that strongly affected the growth. So in the internode a part, so the space between the two nodes is called internodes. Media means the also plural of the medium. Medium is a nutritive solutions, solid or liquid for culturing cells. The medium means is also singular. The medium contains all type of the nutrients Nutrients, all types means microelements, acidity, sucrose, hormones, vitamins, next pH contains, all is also called is a medium. The micropropagation means in vitro clonal propagation, that a plant apart from the shoot tips or nodal expands usually with the accelerated proliferation shoot during the subcultures. So then so plant tissue culture, the growth of the maintenance of the plant cell tissue cultures is a whole plants in vitro. The tissue culture of in vitro culture. In vitro culture means the plant cell tissues are organs, whole organism formation is called tissue culture, regeneration. So in plant cultures, a morphogeny response to stimulate that results in the producers of organs, embryos or whole plants. So then somoclonal means plants derived from any form of cell culture involving the use of somatic plant cells. And any part of the plant, somatic cells only develop the plant parts is called somoclonal variations. This is also called a basic methodological plant tissue culture. First you take the preparation of the suitable nutrient medium. Second one, selection of the excipient. Third one, sterilization excipient. Fourth one, inoculation. Fifth one, incubation. Sixth one, regeneration. Seventh one, hardening. Eighth one, plant-led transfer. The 8 basic steps is called tissue culture techniques are basic methodology or techniques of plant tissue culture. Techniques of plant tissue culture or tissue culture techniques both are same. So first you go to the preparation, and then the preparation of the suitable nutrient medium. Second one, selection of the excipient. Third one, selection of the the selection of the excipient. Third one is the sterilization of the excipient. The fourth one is inoculation. Also fifth one is incubation. The sixth one regeneration. Seventh one hardening. Eighth one planted transfers. The 8 steps are which involves into the plant formation. So general techniques. The first one, general techniques, they keep the plant cell from microbes, suitable nutrient medium, environmental conditions. This is also called equipments, which is all equipments is also based to the conducting laboratory space. So these are all type of the experiments is conducting a tissue culture laboratory. So in general space of the following: washing, drying and storage of visits. So also preparation of the sterilization and storage of media, aseptic handling of experiments and culture, maintenance of culture, observation of culture. The 5 type of the main facilities which having any tissue culture, any laboratory in the botany that botany lab is which is suitable to go when conducting the tissue culture experiment. So this one is also called infrastructure of the major experiments. So first one here is so this one is the sterilations or the experiments, also called tissues and test tubes and cotton bunks are storage in this part. This one overall. So this one, second one is a pH meter. It is also called laminar airflow. It is also called autoclave. So these 4 parts are majorly important tissue culture experiments. Culture room. The control the temperature to is usually to 25 degrees centigrade. Culture racks fitted with the light. A shaker for agitation liquid culture. This is also culture room facilities. Culture vessels. Generally, glass cultures are used in they are cheaper, reusable, autoclaved. It is a desirable use of a boracylate kit and Pyrex glasswares. Borax companies are glasswares are must use. Tissues are generally cultured in culture tubes and flasks and petty plates, and so many specific designed dishes are also uses. So this is also tissue culture visits are another lamb, but generally the suitable non-toxic determined solutions who need to wash it with a suitable brush. Also throughout the rinse of clean with tap water. Following where rinse with distilled water. Washed culture visits should be stored in a dust proof cabinet. This all is also maintaining the tissue culture laboratory. Second point, nutrient medium means preparation of the tissue culture. The media depends upon the types of plant tissue culture cells used for culture. And any type of the tissue culture media depends on the selection of excipient. which part of the expand, which part of the expand, that plant name, that class, that family major important. Generally, the nutrient consists of inorganic salts, so both the micro and micro elements, a carbons of vitamins, amino acid, growth regulator, and optimal temperature 5.7 to 5.8. So this is a major important composition and facilities for the nutrient media preparations. So this is also called morassic and so this one composition of the tissue culture media. So this is also important. So also vitamins are important for the optimal culture growth. The following vitamins are important: inositol, thiamine, hydroxyl, nicotinic acid. It is also important for the vitamins. So vitamins are which added into the definitely, that is also in morassic medium, mirchi medium, weight medium, school medium, B5 medium, any type of the media. So this is a different of vitamins. So phytothenic acid is also known to the promotory. Then carbon sources. The last one, carbon sources, means 6H12, 6 is a sucrose or glucose is a best or suitable carbon sources for conducting the media preparation. The large amount, the large quantity are 8 grams of sucrose which added into the 1 liter medium for all culture materials, including the even green shoots, autoclaves and hydrolysis sucrose. So which can be systems are monocot and glucose may be superior or sucrose. So this is also called phytohormones. The phytohormones are different in structures than plant hormones are there. So then phytohormones are which are NAA, IAA, DAP, 2,4-D, 2,4,5-T, and also called MCA, MAC, and also called so IPBA. And so then IBP, IBA, indolibutyric acid. So this one is cytokinin and gibberellic acid, fluorogenazines, all is also important. Then complex organic additive. So then yeast extract, coconut milk, casein hydrolyzed, corn milk, malt extract, and tomato juice, which are any one which must use it into the complex organic activity and additives. So we are used to the support plant tissue growth, such as additive should be used only when synthetic media fail. Then it is also tissue culture media preparation. First you wait of the explant preparations. Media preparation weighing. The second one is also got preparation. Third one is also then mixing of all micro organic also mixing into the conical flask. Then also got also sterilization, also got dissolution. Then also got autoclaving. These are all got. Then sterilization. All preparation of the tissue culture medias with the help of the all the material used the culture work must be freed from microbes. This is done by one of the following methods: dry heat. Then the tissue culture preparation of the total 1 liter media are heated by dry heat. Second one, autoclaving. Third one is a filter sterilization. Fourth one is a whipping with 70% ethanol. Then fifth one is a surface sterilization. Out of the 5 methods, autoclaving is a best method, and 100% is 100% is a remove microorganisms. So this is also important. Autoclave. Then culture vessels are both empty and containing media are generally sterilized by heating in autoclave or in the pressure cooker or 121 degrees centigrade. Sterilization during the autoclave depends on the temperature. Sterilization is also important for the maintaining the temperatures. So this is also important for the organism types. So this one. So then techniques. So what is the techniques of the sterilization is expand. The expands are also placed to cover with solid liquid medium, and also got prefound that is a morphology of the tissue culture, and also tissue culture grown, then piece of the bone shoot embryogeny. So this is also total tissue culture examined. Then types of the experiments. So which type of the plant tissue culture? So embryology, embryo culture, seed culture, meristem culture, protoplast culture, organ culture, pollen culture, callus cultures. So these all is also important for the then so surface stimulation. Then surface all plants of the surface stimulation, all plant materials to be used to the culture are created with the appropriate stimulation agent to inactive the microbes present on their surface. This is also called stimulation. And several microorganisms are which can be having a experiments. Then experiment is which are removal of microorganisms which can help to the stimulation. It is depends on mainly the sources of the type of the tissues of experiments which will determine the contamination of load and to release of the experiment. So this the stimulation experiment. So then the stimulation agents used for surface: calcium hypochlorite, commonly uses sodium hypochlorite, mercury chloride, silver nitrate, bromine water, hydrogen oxide, antibiotic. This is a percentage. The calcium hypochlorite is a 9 to 10% only, not more than is the expense damage. The sodium hypochlorite is also 2%, mercury chloride 0.1 to 1%, silver nitrate 1%, bromine water 1%. So this is also important for the experiments are conducting them. Experiments are conducting this one. So this one, the stimulation of the experiments. Then so the stimulation is the experiment which have having a so incubation of the expansion conducting the tissue culture experiments in our college. So second one is all students are which can inoculated and I practicing to the students and which can go which conducting which can be practiced and develop the tissue culture plans in our tissue culture laboratory. So this one is the stages of plant tissues. So cultures is a good solid medias and a removal of oxygen. First you go to the stages of tissue culture. Any pollen means or anthers are taken. So separation. Then separate part is the removal of the filaments. Culture and also culture formation. So this also the different type of the expansion, the regeneration of the plants, and also all experiments are culturing plants. So this is also the leaf expands is when we cut it to the pieces. The cutted pieces into directly shifted into the petted is containing nutrient medium. Then after inoculation, that explant is also incubation with a suitable temperature. Then after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, the very part of the explant directly regeneration to plants. That plants are also called shifted into the ordering and shifted transfer into the field. So this is also called important techniques which can important for the transfer.